Cryptocurrency madness. How to recognize when cryptocurrencies are in a mania. Robert Kiyosaki. I often hear new investors say with confidence, I don't have to worry about a market crash because this time things are different. Seasoned investors know better. They know that markets always go up and down. They know that when a bull market is hot, it will come crashing down at some point in time. And the higher the market rises, the faster and harder it crashes. Do you remember the early 2000s when people are investing in companies without any profits like they did during the dot-com bubble? That means a mania is on. As the old wise saying goes, there is nothing new under the sun. That includes booms and busts. They are mad. Sir Isaac Newton, who lost most of his fortune in the South Sea bubbles, is quoted as saying, I can calculate the motions of heavenly bodies, but not the madness of people. When there is madness and everyone is thinking about getting rich quick in the market, it is usually just a matter of time before many people lose everything. Often this is because people start investing in the markets with borrowed money instead of first investing in their education and experience. When that happens, many people sell in a panic. Of course, that is when educated investors really become wealthy, profiting on the madness of others. Generally, crashes aren't that bad, but the emotional panic that occurs at the time of such financial downturns is the problem with uneducated investors is that they do not understand real bear markets or real bull markets. So how would they know what a market crash and a bear market feels like, especially if it goes on for years? That is why the new area of investing, crypto investing, is so dangerous without education. It is hard to find a good teacher because so few have enough experience and comprehension of volatile markets. Jeff Wang. Crypto drama, cryptomania and crypto madness are real things. Cryptocurrency investing can be very volatile. That is not a bad thing. A lot of profits can be made from volatile swings. Too many. When the volatile time goes down, many consider that a terrifying day in the crypto markets. Because of that, I thought it would be fitting to have a section on how to handle what will certainly be inevitable corrections where every asset can fall 30% in a moment. The first thing to do is to expect them. If you know that some days will correct 30%, you will be much more level-headed when they occur. This also means that you should never really be all in on your crypto investments. You should have some cash on the side for corrective days to buy things that suddenly become very cheap. You need to know what distinguishes a correction and bounce from a sustained downtrend. That's why you need to keep up to date with the macroeconomic news as well as the crypto news. This is one of the things I do in the Rich Dad Cryptocurrency newsletter. I do this so you can understand the why of things moving. All in all, if you are super unsure of what to do, you can always just buy a partial amount, leave the rest for more information and keep yourself sane. The other angle is that you should never put into crypto more than you are afraid of losing. I have of course heard of who people put in 5% of their net worth and turn that into 90% of their net worth. I get it. That is the dream. However, when uniform people put in their savings on volatile investments and lose it all, that tells me that they weren't accounting for risk. Crypto is inherently a risky investment. It can go 1000%. DOGE just did this recently, but it can go down 90% as well. Keep this in mind. Now, how do we handle this strategically? One tool is stop losses. That's when we are in an irrationally high bull run. This means setting a stop limit order while a crypto asset is moving up, and you can keep moving the stop up to capture more and more profit. A trailing stop does this too. When corrections hit, you can wait out the storm sitting in cash. There is a downside. You could possibly miss a bounce and some profit. The other strategy is to take profits on the way up. Crypto assets in DeFi, decentralized finance, especially can easily swing 30% each way. So why not just convert some of that to cash every once in a while and set it aside? This is especially true during days where it is too good to be true. Those are the times I really set aside things to cash and look for coins that are heavily hit. However, be careful of missing out on a big run. Sometimes being cautious can prevent making huge gains. Now for the action. When you see a coin go up, psychologically you will want to buy it. Be careful. Probability says it will head back down. Conversely, when you see a coin going down in value, you are going to want to sell it and take the loss. However, it is more likely in a sideways market to return to the mean, but your mind will tell you to take the loss. This of course could keep going down, so you should know what you are buying. If you are buying Ethereum, it has slightly less profitability to keep going down versus a random coin mentioned on Twitter or YouTube, for example. During these times, remember to set price targets, then set buy and sell limit orders. In bear markets, I usually sell on 15 to 20% gains. I never want to risk the corrective swings. We are not in a bear market yet, but when you experience it, you will notice it is easier to trade because you are no longer not knowing when to sell. However, if you are on the wrong side, you could end up losing more. This isn't a financial advice ebook, but what I listed above should be taken into consideration as you think about your own personal style. In summary, expect corrections to happen. Don't put more into volatile assets than you are worried to lose. Set stop losses to perceive gains. Take profits on the way up or on swings and remember to utilize limit orders to mentally control your targets. Hope that helps. I believe we are going to see some bull runs that may make us accept this as a reality, but I believe this is a bubble and we are in irrational pricing territory. Robert Kiyosaki. Jeff is seeing the crypto markets as a bubble. I completely agree, but this is no reason to go all in. With your hard-earned money, you need education first. Only the educated are in the position to win. Rich Dad simply said, it is not possible to predict the markets, but it is important that we be prepared for whichever direction it decides to go. He also said, bull markets seem to go on forever, which causes people to become sloppy, foolish and complacent. Today, times are pretty good for investors. The question is, are you ready for the next bear market? Because it will come. And while it is easy to make money in a bull market, only qualified, educated investors will make money in the next bear market. Take advantage of this time to invest not only in the markets, but also in your financial education. It will pay big dividends when others are losing it all.